Hello friends, we are going to solve today exercise 1.2b of checkpoint book 3 maths. Without using a calculator, work out the cube roots of the following numbers in parts A and in question 1 to 4, then estimate the cube root of the number in part C. Okay, I will start with question number 8. In the cube roots, we have to find the three numbers which multiply to become 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. The cube root of 8 is 2. You can simply factorize the number and can find the cube root. Like 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. The answer is 2. Second one, 27. We can factorize it and find out the cube root. 27, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. The cube root of 27 is 3 into 3 into 3, and that is 3. Now cube root of 20 you can directly calculate on the calculator. The answer is 2.3. You just press this on your calculator with the button shift plus root button and then type 20. You will get the answer. Root of 120, cube root of 125. We can factorize it. 125 with 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 25, 5 5s are 25. The cube root of 125 is root 5 into 5 into 5. Cube root is 5. Next one, is 216. Can be divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Again can be divided by 2. 54 can again be divided by 2. 27 can be divided by 3. 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So the cube root we get is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. We have to make the pairs of 3. 3 numbers, then 3 numbers. Cube root of 216 is 2 into 3. Cube root is 2 3s are 6. Cube root of 150. You can directly calculate on the calculator. You will get the answer 5.5. How will you do this? Press shift button on your calculator, then plus root, then after root you will type 150 and you will get this answer 5.5. Cube root of 27 minus 27 will be minus 3, like this. When we factorize 27, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So we are getting 3 times. So the answer is minus 3. cube root of 64. Again we can factorize it. 64 by 2, 32. Then again divide by 2. 2 ones are 2, 6 are 12. Then 2, 8. Then 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. And 2 1s are 2. So make the pairs of 3 numbers. Then here 3 numbers. 2 into 2. The answer is -4. Then cube root of 50. You can directly calculate on the calculator. Press shift, then root, then type the number -50. Cube root of 729 we can find by factorizing. 729 is an odd number. You can divide it by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 243 can again be divided by 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 81. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. 27. Then again divide by 3. 3 9s are 27. Then again divide by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now pair this, make the set of 3 numbers. Okay, 3 into 3, the answer is 9. Cube root of 729 is 9. Now about 1000, we can again factorize it. 1000 divided by 2 is 500, divide by 2 is 250, divide by 2 is 125. Then 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 25. Then again by 5, 5 5s are 25. Then 5 will get 125. Make the set of 3 numbers. Okay, 2 into 5. The answer is 2 5s are 10. Cube root of 1000 is 10. Cube root of -800, you can directly calculate on the calculator. You will get the answer 9.3. Then cube root of 64, we can factorize it. 64 divided by 2 is 32. Again divided by 2 is 16. Then divide by 2 is 8. Then divide by 2 is 4. Then divide by 2 is 2. Again divided by 2 is 1. Okay, make the set of 3 numbers. We are getting 2 into 2. Answer is 4. Cube root of 125. 125 divide by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again by 5, 5 are 25. Again by 5 is 1. Okay, we are getting 3 numbers of 5, set of 5. The cube root of 125 is 5. Okay, cube root of 100, we can directly calculate on the calculator. Press shift, then press root, then press the number 100. You will get the answer 4.6. Cube root of 343. Okay, 343 can be divided by 7. 7 4s are 28, 49. Then again by 7, 7s are 49. Okay, we are getting 7 3 times. Okay. So the cube root is 7. 512. Now you need to factorize this number. It is an even number. 512 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 256, then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, it's a 16. Then divide by 2 again, that is 64, divide by 2 again, that is 32, divide by 2 again, that is 16, divide by 2, that is 8, again divided by 2, you will get 4, then divide by 2 will get 2, then divide by 2 will get 1. Now we have to make the set of 3 numbers. First 3, second 3, third 3. How much we are getting? 2 into 2 into 2. The cube root is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 is the cube root of 512. Cube root of 400. You can directly calculate on the calculator. Press shift, then press root, then press 400. Cube root of 216. First we need to factorize 216. 2 1s are 2, 108, 2 5s are 10, 54, then 2 2s are 4, 27, then it can be divided by 3, 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Now make the set of 3 numbers. First 3 is 2 2, second 3 is 3 3 3. So 2 into 3, that is 2 3s are 6. 6 is the cube root of root 216. Cube root of 125, we can directly calculate on the calculator by pressing shift plus root. After that press 125. Cube root of 150. Okay, we need to factorize 150. Oh, you can directly calculate on the calculator. You will get 5.4 as the answer. And this was the answer for the 125. We can solve it over here. 125, 5 5s are 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5 5 1s are 5. Sorry, 5 is the cube root of 125. 5 is the answer. Okay, next one, cube root of 8000. Now see, this is a very large number, but still we have to factorize it to find the cube root. 2 divided by 2 will be 4000, divided by 2 will be 2000, again divide by 2 will be 1000, divide by 2 will be 500. Then again you have to just make the number half half. So divide by 2 will be 125, divide by 5 will be 25, divide by 5 will be 5, then 5 1s are. Okay, now we have to make the set of 3. 2 3. We are getting 2 into 2 into 5. First set will be here, second set is here, and the third set is here. The answer is 2 into 2 4, 4 5s are 20. 20 is the cube root of 8000. Now cube root of 1000. Cube root of 1000 is 2. 500 again divided by 2 is 250, again divide by 2, that is 125, divide by 5 will be 25, divide by 5 will be 5, divided by 5 is 1. Okay. The answer is 2 into 5. Answer is 10. Cube root of 1000 is 10. Cube root of 5000. Cube root of 5 minus 5000. You can directly calculate on the calculator. You'll get 17 approx. Press shift, then press root, then press minus 5000. You will get minus 17 as the answer. Approximate answer it is. Hope you understood the question.